More difficult than usual to tell the difference between hits and misses. Go ahead and load my clip.
Even an Asian guy can do it.
You are so gonna fall on your ass.
Shut up.
And remember, I can't really see your trigger finger because of where I have to be to see the hits, but when you're moving, keep your finger off the trigger.
When you fall on
Your
your
gun
ass,
goes
Bill,
off while you're moving, you're gone.
keep your muzzle below the brim. Very important.
So, what's the order again? Same as last time? Should mix them up a little bit.
Going hot. Everybody here?
Guess I'm going with it.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Hit. 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 2974. Hit! 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 2847, 8 points.
Jim.
Hit! 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 30.12. 8 points. Unload and show clear. Stand by!
And then in the face.
Hit! 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 33.148 points.